Hey guys, welcome back to the Crafty Chica channel. It's Kathy and I'm going to show you how to give new life to a dingy old jacket. So first thing you want to do is find your jacket. You could go to the thrift store or look through your closet. I like using cotton fabric jackets. Give them a good wash, dampen them, and then this is where the fun of the transformation happens. I'm using this one-step dye, and you're going to line your work surface with a plastic bag. And once your jacket is nice and damp, you're just going to kind of lay it out flat so that we can cover it with the dye. This is one-step dye you can get at the craft store. It's concentrated dye in a powder form. You add water and shake it. Make sure your jacket is damp. Put it onto the plastic bag and then go ahead and fill in. So I used red, hot pink, and purple because I just wanted a variety, and you'll see what it looks like at the end. It doesn't come out as vibrant as this because the canvas of the jacket is like very, very thick and porous. Once it's thoroughly saturated, wrap it up in the plastic bag and let it set for 6 hours. And then you're going to take it out, rinse it in the sink until the water runs clear, and then wash it in the washing machine by itself with cold water. Once the jacket is washed and dried, go ahead and iron it and then stitch on your favorite applique with heavy duty thread. I love this sequin applique that I got from Mexico City. Okay, now we're going to add the painted designs. I'm using fabric paint. I love fabric paint because it doesn't crack or chip. If you use regular craft paint on fabric, it will be really, really hard and kind of crusty. So definitely use a multi-surface paint or some kind of fabric paint. So what I'm doing now, because the background is so dark, I'm going to outline everything in white, and then I will add color on top of the white. That way I know that my designs will come out super colorful and vibrant. Once all my colors are down, I like to outline everything with black puffy paint. I feel like it ties it all together. I even use white to add some accents as well. Let it dry flat overnight because puffy paint takes a long time to dry. You can add brush on, fabric glitter, whatever you want to make it pop in your own way. And then, you know what? I promise you will be addicted to make more jackets. That's what happened to me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this project. Please give it a thumbs up and share it. Visit craftychica.com for even more crafty ideas. Thanks, guys.